my prince.
My ladies, how you guys doing?
We are fine, my prince.
Oh, you're welcome, eh?
Thank you.
Young man, can't you see your prince? How dare you pass the prince of this kingdom without greeting?
You want collect? Sure, CULTIST they greet. CULTIST they greet.
My prince.
Dad, calm down.
Prince, don't be say my eyes blind, I don't see you. I actually see you. But you offended me. And you didn't touch me. You touched my left nipple. Sure, you know what you do me. The only girlfriend where they manage. You reach your own turn. As prince, you collect my girlfriend from me. The apple of my eyes, the only sugar in my tea. The only nyasho I manage, you reach your turn, you collect her. I feel like crying. I feel like crying. I feel like crying.
Young man.
I feel like...
Which guy are you talking about?
So you won't collect me? Your father, if you don't do again. Sure you don't know Ada Naya. Collected my girlfriend from me. They ask, okay, so that's why they call everybody girlfriend. You don't even know the way you collect again. That's my girlfriend. But I know that your father, King, will die very soon. And if he die, I personally go put her for your body to you go collect. I go kill you that week. That's the same day, not even week. That same day where your father go die, the day where you die. I'll fell with your neck, eh? Now that this I go make sure I kill you that day. But with due respect, you know you are my prince. With due respect, I need to respect you as our prince. Good afternoon. Can I leave?
You can go.
See, you let me get you something clear. Is this our prince that saved you? CULTIST they talk, they follow and talk. They leave me alone or I will too beat you. I will won't collect. I respect you, I love you. But my girlfriend will collect, I see the verse. See. King, your father.
Sorry for the slap, okay?
Okay, my prince.
Don't mind. See, you just have to let him be. As you all know, this is one of the most notorious boys in this community. Eh? Just let him go. The family are tired of him already.
My prince, but he disrespected you. You should have allowed me to crush him.
I understand. Just let him go, okay? Let him go. So as I was saying, you should go. Stay that side.
My prince, kept me waiting. I've been waiting here since.
Hi. I'm sorry, no, yo. My own Malaysia, my everything. Come on, wait there. Stay there, I'm coming. Sorry. My father has a lot of visitors. So he's trying to settle them. You know, as a prince, I have to be with him to arrange some things for him. I'm sorry.
My prince, I'm tired of coming to this place to wait for you. Every time we're meeting in this bush, I want to be coming to the palace to see you.
You want to be coming to the palace? You will still come to the palace now. You know, right now, I have not actually introduced you properly to my father. So let's do it codedly. Small time, you'll come to the palace. I promise. Sure? I promise you. No, yo. Let me give you that your dance. Ding, 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 ding.
You should see how stupid you look like now. Playing lovey-dovey in my forest. Who are you? And what are you doing with my man?
Who is your man? No, Mandela, who is your man? Because you are the chief princess of this community does not give you the right to intrude our privacy. Who is your man?
The fact that I am the chief priestess of this community gives me the right to everything. This is my forest. I can be anywhere I want at any time I want.
Is it a crime to love you? I said I don't love you. I cannot date you. I cannot marry you. This is the love of my life.
the love of your life.
Yes.
This mortal is the love of your life. Can't she protect you? So person you come through harm. Can't she? I can protect you. I am the chief priestess of this community. I have what it takes. She has nothing.
That is to you. To me, she's my mini god. She can protect me. What do you want? Huh?
I want you. I need you. I want you to be my man.
For me? I don't want you. I don't need you. See my woman. What do you want? Okay, let me be.
I can't believe you would do this to me. I chose you. I want you. And you will choose me back. I do not want to see you with any other girl.
Is it a crime to date? I don't want to date. I don't want to marry you.
See? Even your father, the king, can't tell me what to or what not to do.
My father is the king of this community. The king is above all wishes. The king is above all princesses. If you don't take time, I will ask my father to deal with you. So my father is above you.
I won't offend you. I won't provoke you. Because you are the prince of the community. We'll see about that.
You no go see anything. Nothing. I don't want you. My queen.
Move over there! Move where?
I'll beat you! Don't joke with me! Are you with me? We are pillar. Nobody will separate us.
This is a stern warning to you to leave my man alone. This is a very lonely road, as you can see. I can do whatever it is I want to do to you right now. Nobody would ever find out. Leave him alone!
Priestess, see, let me tell you something. It's not me. It's not my fault. I was just walking on the road and he saw me. Prince saw me. He said, I like you. You're the woman of my dreams. Is you I want to spend the rest of my life with. They not go to him.
I want you out of that dream. Okay?
Priestess, it's not my dream. It's the prince's dream. He's the one dreaming it. It's not me. So you go and tell him that he should undream me. He said, you're my mini god. He said, this is my chest. It's his resting place. That every other chest is stone. It's not me. I don't go.
That resting place would make him rest in peace if you do not leave him alone.
You go and tell him to leave me. It's not me. It's not me. Go and tell Prince to leave me. It's not me that's going after him. He's saying that's running. He's running kitty kitty. Running kata kata. That is me. That he loves me.
You're a very lucky person.
Thank you.
I won't hurt you today. When next I see you with him, you'd be dead. Run along.
I'll tell him.
Run along!
I feel like crying. I feel like crying. I feel like crying.
Young man.
I feel like...
Which guy are you talking about?
Sure you won't collect me. Your father, if you make it.
Let's go. Rolling. Action.
But I know that your father, King, will die very soon. And if he die, I personally go put that for your body to you go collect. I go kill you that week. That's the same day. No be even week. That same day where your father go die, the day where you die. I'll fell with your neck, like this. I'll come on your head.
That laugh, they laugh. That laugh. Let's go. Let's go. Rolling. Action.
I go squeeze you.
Slowly. Action.
I a person that if I don't miss my point. And you look the way you take the look cultists. Forget say they follow Prince. If you see collect.
No, you go do am, you go one waka.
Oh
Let's
boy.
go.
Let that one move.
Let that one move before you eat.
Roll.
Yeah.
Action.
So yeah, I go feed down so.
Action.
My do yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Let's do it.
To come back, come look in face.
No, you can do it. Just
But come try. I don't you try now. Wait, boss la.
no,
Oh, yeah,
no.
oh, yeah.
If you don't do a first, second, third, you will kill him.
Rolling.
Only this one wey they do for leg and he reach laugh. See
Let's
this
go.
one. See how this one wey we carry to come shoot.
Rolling. Action. Okay, I think we should look for a way to cut.